Hello everyone, I am Sindhu and today let's see the role of data science in healthcare. First of all, let's see what data science is. Data science is a process in which we use the scientific methods, processes, algorithms to extract the knowledge from structured or unstructured data, and using the algorithms we obtain the insights. And using these insights we can apply these across a broad range of applications. And next, we have known that data science is something which we work on data and get the insights. So, how does all this process work, and who performs these operations, and how do they work with the data? Uh, to start with the data science operations, we need the data first. So, where do we get this data? We have many resources such as Google Cloud public datasets, Amazon Web Services, Data.gov, Kaggle, and UCI Machine Learning Repository. These are some of the popular big data resources. We can obtain the data from the resources and start working with them. And then after we obtain the data, a data scientist is a person who extracts the data. The data we usually get from the big data resources is not clean, which means we might get the value, we might get the incorrect values or null values. So the data is not clear and proper. So we clean the data, and after cleaning, he performs specific operations so that he get insights. And next, what are the stages of data science project? The first stage in a data science project is investigate. We have to investigate what domain we are working on and the exact reason why we are doing this. And next, collecting the data. As we have seen, we can collect the data from various resources. We have very vast data on the internet today, so we can collect the data. And next, the crucial part is cleaning the data. So why do we need to clean the data? Data is not appropriate, and the data might have null values. So before we start working on the data, first of all, we must clean the data. Using some operations, we can clean the data. We can find out where the data is missing and inappropriate so that we can clean it and we can replace it with some other values, and then we can start working on the data and perform the operations we need. And then after cleaning, it comes the exploration. First of all, we need to know what the data contains so that we can perform the operations. So we'll explore the data sets using some operations such as describing the data and all those. And next comes the modeling. After we clean and explore the data, we'll model the data and we'll get what we want. And next, after modeling the data, we get the results. So we can represent the data in many ways. So why use visualization? Visualization is a process where we represent our data in the form of pictures or diagrams, charts or graphs, so that the people who observe these results can understand the data easily, and they can gain the insights. So these are the 6 stages in a data science project. And next, what are the languages we should use to perform these? The most important thing is choosing the language. These all languages are used to perform the operations. They have all got their own libraries to work with. Python, Keras, R, Java, SQL, TensorFlow, MATLAB, and Scala. Using these languages, we can plot the graphs and we can visualize the data, clean the data. All the operations can be done easily. And then data science in healthcare. So healthcare is a very crucial thing which we want in our daily life. So let's see how data science helps in the healthcare. In healthcare industry, data plays an important role in bringing improvisation and innovation. The healthcare data generates avenues for many discoveries. It provides a foundation to run the evaluation and to produce more effective drugs. It establishes the better communication between the patients and doctors. and the data science improves the overall quality of the healthcare system. And next, medicine and healthcare are the two important part of our human lives. Traditionally, what happens is if a person gets a disease, he goes to the doctor, and then the doctor gives some prescription, and then based on that, he'll get treated. But what data science does is the data science takes the data regarding the patient, and using the data we can draw insights about the patient, his health condition, and how his body is reacting to specific drugs, so that we can know exactly what the patient body needs and how it reacts to specific drugs. So based on that we can personalize the drugs, and we can personalize the treatment for each patient, so it becomes very easy for treatment, and also we can easily know how the patient condition is. And next, as the healthcare industry progresses, the use of data science has increased and is regarded as the most important aspect of innovation. And next, let's see what are the applications of data science. Medical imaging. What does medical imaging mean? In medical industry, we use X-rays and MRIs. Using medical imaging, we can observe his MRIs and X-rays very closely, and we can obtain the hidden insights. And then genomics, drug discovery, predictive diagnosis, monitoring patient health, tracking and preventing diseases, providing virtual assistance. Okay, so drug discovery. All the chemists try to discover the drugs, and then they spend most of the time and money on discovering the drugs. Using the data science, we can apply all the possible conditions and constraints while doing this drug discovery, so that we can know how the outcome of the drug would be. So it simplifies the time and money. And predictive diagnosis, as we've discussed earlier, if a patient wants to get diagnosed to a specific disease, we can observe his health condition, and then using the previous data of his health condition, we can draw the insights how his body reacts to a specific drug or a specific treatment, and then we can observe how he can be treated. So and next, tracking and preventing diseases, and also providing virtual assistance. Due to the COVID pandemic, the patients are not able to go to the doctors and meet them. So using the virtual robots, the patient can virtually meet the doctor or and get the prescription or the appointment done. And next, the main goal of the healthcare organization is to provide quality treatment at reasonable cost. To maintain high standards of patient service, providers must make the right medical decisions. The vast amount of unstructured healthcare data complicates decision making. While data science provides tools and methods to extract real value from unstructured patient information, it eventually contributes to making healthcare more efficient, accessible, and personalized. The number of healthcare institutions making data-driven decisions increases slowly but steadily. In 2015, only 15% of the hospitals employ data science and predictive analysis to prevent hospital readmissions. 1 year after, 31% of the institutions said they have been doing so for more than a year. So, we can observe that all the hospitals are tending to come towards the data science, and they are using the data science for predictive analysis and for patient analysis. And then now let's look into some data sets and understand how actually the data is used for the operations of data science. Okay, I've taken a data set, and first using the pandas library and numpy library, we can import the libraries, the pandas and numpy, and then comes the reading part. and then info, describing the data and performing the operations on the data. So the using the data sets, we can perform specific operations on the data and obtain the insights, and we can use the insights to apply in our daily life. And then uh, monitoring patient health. Monitoring patient health, and also nowadays handling the customer data has become much more convenient with the use of data science. Now all the paperwork has been shifted to the digital data collection, and we don't need to store the paper files or anything. We can just create a database and we can store the values, store the data in the database. So you can create backups also for the records, and you can use the data for treatment of the patients. As we have discussed, using the patient data, we can generate insights, and also we can make the predictive analysis. And healthcare organizations are implementing different techniques to bring advancements in collecting the patient records, where some are offering online accounts and they're asking to the patients to enter the data, and some are distributing electronic cards to get the entire data individually. So the main goal of the healthcare system and the integration of data science is uh, the patients need to be treated in a cost efficient way, and the hospitals want to provide the better treatment to the patients so that their body reacts good, and also using the predictive analysis, we can predict the diseases of the patients before, and we can prescribe them with the correct drugs, and we can treat them so that it becomes easy for everyone to identify the problem and solve the problem. And the application of data science reshapes the healthcare industry and takes its progress to the next level. As the amount of data increases, so is the possibility of expanding integration of data science in the medical fields, which eventually leads to advancements in technology. So, these are the main things in applications of data science in healthcare industry. So, as we have seen, using these data science methods, we can obtain the insights and we can use them so that the healthcare industry becomes so the healthcare industry gets helpful and the patient gets the quality treatment at reasonable cost. So thank you, and I hope so thank you. That is all about the data science applications in the healthcare industry. Thank you.